For those seeking top-notch entry doors, Clearwater, our Clearwater Door Services offer unparalleled front door installation and door replacement Clearwater solutions. Our residential entry doors are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal and security of your home. As the leading Clearwater door experts, we provide custom entry doors Clearwater tailored to your specific needs. Clearwater Florida Door Services are renowned for their expertise in entry door maintenance and Clearwater door installation. Our Clearwater Florida door experts ensure that your entry doors Clearwater Florida remain in optimal condition, providing both functionality and style. With our energy-efficient doors Clearwater, you can enjoy reduced energy costs and increased comfort. Our Clearwater Entry Door Company is committed to delivering affordable entry doors Clearwater without compromising on quality. Our Clearwater Florida door contractors are skilled in providing entry door upgrades Clearwater, ensuring your home stays modern and secure. We offer a wide range of entry door styles Clearwater to suit any architectural design. For those interested in entry door security Clearwater, our Clearwater Florida door solutions include advanced locking systems and durable materials. Our entry door design Clearwater services focus on creating visually appealing and secure entryways. With our Clearwater Florida door installation, you can trust that your entry doors Clearwater will be installed with precision and care. Our Clearwater door specialists are dedicated to offering comprehensive entry door consultation Clearwater services. We guide you through the selection of entry door materials Clearwater, ensuring you choose the best options for your home. Our Clearwater Florida door professionals are here to assist you every step of the way, from design to installation. Choose our Clearwater door contractors for your next front door installation Clearwater project. Our Clearwater Florida door specialists are experienced in providing entry door upgrades Clearwater Florida, enhancing both the look and functionality of your home. With our Clearwater door options, you can select from a variety of styles and materials to suit your preferences. Our entry door styles Clearwater are designed to complement any home design, offering both traditional and contemporary options. Our Clearwater Florida door solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring satisfaction with every project. Trust our Clearwater door professionals to deliver exceptional results for your entry door needs. For reliable door installation Clearwater Florida, our Clearwater Florida Entry Door Company is the go-to choice. Our entry door materials Clearwater are sourced from top manufacturers, ensuring durability and longevity. With our entry door consultation Clearwater, you can make informed decisions about your entry door design Clearwater. Our Clearwater door specialists are experts in entry door security Clearwater, providing peace of mind with every installation. Our Clearwater Florida door options include a variety of finishes and hardware to customize your entryway. Trust our Clearwater door solutions to enhance the curb appeal and security of your home. Looking for the best entry doors Clearwater has to offer? Our Clearwater door services provide top-notch front door installation and door replacement Clearwater solutions. Whether you need residential entry doors or custom entry doors, our Clearwater door experts are here to help. We specialize in energy-efficient doors Clearwater and offer a wide range of entry door styles to suit your needs. When it comes to Clearwater door installation, Our Clearwater Florida door experts are second to none. We provide comprehensive entry door maintenance Clearwater services to ensure your doors remain in perfect condition. Our Clearwater Florida door installation team is equipped to handle any issue, big or small, ensuring your entry doors Clearwater Florida are always secure and functional. For those seeking door installation Clearwater Florida, our Clearwater Florida Entry Door Company offers affordable entry doors Clearwater options. Our Clearwater door contractors are skilled in front door installation Clearwater, providing you with the best entry door upgrades Clearwater has to offer. Trust our Clearwater Florida door solutions for all your entry door needs. Our Clearwater door specialists are experts in entry door security Clearwater, offering a variety of Clearwater Florida door options to enhance your home's safety. With our entry door design Clearwater services, you can choose from a range of entry door materials Clearwater to match your style. Our Clearwater Florida door professionals are dedicated to providing the best entry door consultation Clearwater services. If you're considering entry door upgrades, our Clearwater door solutions offer a variety of entry door styles Clearwater to choose from. Our Clearwater Florida door specialists are experienced in entry door security Clearwater, ensuring your home is protected. With our entry door design Clearwater services, you can customize your entry doors Clearwater Florida to fit your aesthetic preferences. Our Clearwater door installation services are unmatched, providing you with the best entry door materials Clearwater for your home. Our Clearwater Florida door professionals are committed to delivering high-quality entry door consultation Clearwater services. Whether you need entry doors Clearwater Florida or front door installation Clearwater, our team is here to assist you. Choose our Clearwater door contractors for all your door replacement Clearwater Florida needs. Our custom entry doors Clearwater are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal. With our Clearwater Florida door installation services, you can rest assured that your entry doors Clearwater Florida will remain in top condition. For energy-efficient doors Clearwater, our Clearwater Florida door experts offer a range of options to help you save on energy costs. Our door installation Clearwater Florida services are designed to provide you with the best entry door solutions. Trust our Clearwater Florida Entry Door Company for all your entry door needs. Our affordable entry doors Clearwater options are perfect for any budget. Our Clearwater Florida door contractors are skilled in providing entry door upgrades Clearwater to enhance your home's value. With our Clearwater Florida door solutions, you can choose from a variety of entry door styles Clearwater to suit your taste. Our Clearwater door specialists are dedicated to providing the best entry door security Clearwater services. With our Clearwater Florida door options, you can enhance your home's safety and style. Our entry door design Clearwater services allow you to customize your entry doors Clearwater Florida to fit your unique preferences.